Hello, welcome students. Today we'll see a new program on Python, that is to print a pattern series, you can say, series of star pattern, you can say, okay, series of stars in a triangular format, you can say right angle 90-degree format. Let I show you how it look like. See, this is star, this is star, 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 star. Okay, see, these are star, not ampersand, and this is the fifth one. So we will display like this. Okay, bear it some you can say tilted version you are observing here because my pad is you can say some tilted type. So see, now what we'll do is we will consider this. Okay, that means you have to print output. You have to means what, you have to take some variable values, that is for you can say the concept mainly focuses on what. See, this one you can say as one row, this is second row, third row, fourth row, right, and fifth row. Then again, if you take as column, one column, two column, three column, and four column, and this is five column, right? That means you have to take variables, two variables for rows and column types. Okay, and you have to start doing incrementing the value of the row, okay, row variable value corresponding to this column variable value. When it succeeds, means when this is true, then you have to go inside this column and then print this star. That means you can start with, you can say your main value. Suppose you are taking the rows, that is rows are how much rows it is, you can say 5 rows it is. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So you can take I as 5. Okay, that means the row value you can take it 5. Then you can compare with a range value, that means you can iterate with this 5. That means when I is equal to 1, then enter to the column and print this value, this like this. So let us see with the you can say programming format, then only you will understand this. So first of all, we'll go over here into the screen, and first of all we'll start coding over here. So see, the name should be series, okay, .py, okay, series.py, and you can say bear for the background noise, students. Apology from my side because some children are playing my downstairs actually, okay, in my compartment downstairs. So bear for that disturbance. So we'll start as you can say some variable r. Okay, we'll take r, that is for rows, or you can take as row like that. Okay, rows, that is rows, how much rows you have to print, you have to print suppose 5 rows. Okay, that we have taken over here like this. Okay, now what we'll do is we will take a loop, right? What we will do is we will take a loop, that is for range for you can say I in range, you can say range, what range you are taking, these rows. Okay, this row ranges you are taking. So what we'll do is we'll take another, I will end over here this loop, and then we will take another, that is for j in range, you can say that is c. What we will print, you will print the ith. Okay, means you will take the limit in within the row, you can say rows variable I, right? You are not extending beyond that limit because you have to print like this. See over here, right? 1, then 2, then 3, like this. Fine. So now what we'll do is we will take as I. Okay, means within I you check please, and then please print as you can say star over here, right? And you can mention as end is equal to like this, as this represents the space actually. Okay, and again what we'll do is when it prints like this, then we'll go to the next line. That means the space is there over here. See, these are the spaces. Now we'll go to the next line. So how it will possible? In Python you are giving like this, single quotes, in single quote, within single quotes you give the space. So now we'll save it, and let us see whether the code logic written is right or wrong. So over here, see, we'll check it. Okay, see, now it is not coming in the you can say pyramid pattern. So I guess we had done some mistake somewhere, right? So what is the mistake? You can say that over here only, inside this loop, right? So this is the debugging part, you can say logical you have to apply over in Python. Okay, so what you will do is you will simply take for this print, that means this loop, that means the row. See over here, this is the row, you have to end this row and then come to the next line, this line. Okay, this is the next line. So that means the row, this will be connected with this, and over here you will take the space, you can say, that means new line. So now we'll run the code again. We'll check over here. Okay, this fine. We'll do one thing. The different program it came. Now we'll check. See, it comes. Okay, the pattern came over here now, right? So if you give a space over here, then it will take a space. See, like this. Okay, and now you will ask one question, sir. You have told that you are taking 5 rows, and over here this we from the starting of this video we are discussing as 5 rows should be there, but 4 rows came. But see, actually in Python, as I explained you, the ranges always starts with 0, you can say. That means 5 values, that means 0 to 4, you can say, like that. Okay, that means the 4th value, what the main thing is, the range will take one less number. Okay, so over here if I make it as 6, then definitely it will print like this. See over here, now 5 times the 5 pyramid star series have been printed out. Now what if I need to print value of I? That means if I print the value of I, that means what happens? That means I ka value, see over here, I is star now over here, that means 1 will be there. If I is equal to 1, if it starts with 1, then the star is printed for 2, that means 2, and again the same. Again I will be incremented 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, like this. Okay, 5, 5, 5, like this. Means only ith value. If you are increasing the only ith value, then it will behave like this. So let us check. Okay, let us check how it will possible. So simply if I write I over here, then you can say whole output changes. See, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Okay, you can say code for your Python series, pattern series, to print pattern series. So we'll check in the next video another topics in Python programming, and soon we'll wrap up with this basic session, you can say. If you need more, then definitely comment me below the comment section. Till then, thank you. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and definitely share with your friends. Thank you. Have a good day.